Hey Lane's BBQ family, Dan here. Today's all about choc sea salt caramel brownies. Enjoy. So what we have here is our flour mixture, which contains cocoa powder, sugar and flour. And we're also going to just add in our Lane's chocolate sea salt caramel. And then we'll give this a mix. Now it's time to add the butter. Now we've got some butter here, mixed with a little bit of vanilla essence. And we're just going to add that to our flour mixture. Now, after giving it a quick mix, add in your 3 eggs. Time to add some Caramilk chocolate and also our marshmallows. Mix this in and give it a quick stir. Now I've just lined a baking tray with some paper. Now to add our brownie mixture to that. Now it's time to throw this on the smoker. 325 for about 25 to 30 minutes. Now after letting this cool for about 10 minutes, we're just going to start slicing. Oh yeah. All right, here we go, guys. Sweet. That caramel comes through nicely, the seasoning. Caramel. Gooey, really good texture, absolutely beautiful. Give it a try. Cheers.